Angle Parking Made Easy, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but useful term, angle parking. Whether you're a driver or just curious about English terms related to driving, this video will help you understand what angle parking is, how it's used, and why it's important. Angle parking refers to a method of parking a vehicle. Unlike parallel parking, where cars are parked alongside a road, in angle parking, cars are parked at an angle. Typically, vehicles are parked at a 45 to 60 degree angle to the curb. This type of parking is common in parking lots and on certain streets where space allows. It's designed to maximize the number of vehicles that can park, especially in busy areas. Why do we use angle parking? First, it's easier for drivers, especially for beginners, as it requires less precision than parallel parking. Also, it's a space-efficient way to park more cars in a limited area. However, it's important to note that angle parking can be challenging for larger vehicles and might not be suitable for very busy streets due to the way cars have to pull out into the traffic. It's interesting to note that angle parking isn't universally used in every country. In some places, it's very common, while in others, it's hardly seen. This variation can be due to different traffic rules, road sizes, or cultural preferences in driving practices. As an English learner, understanding such differences can be crucial when traveling or understanding international driving contexts. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding angle parking. Remember, this term is not just about parking a car, it's about understanding a cultural and practical aspect of driving in English-speaking countries. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful English learning content in our next video. Stay safe, and happy driving, or learning.